Camborne Contemporary Crafts Hub is open for everyone. A really accessible space.
Regardless of income or ability.
We were given equipment from Falmouth University that was redundant, and then we were approached by Camborne Town Deal Bid to be part of their levelling up, and then Camborne Contemporary Craft Hub was born.
So today we're going to do pinch pots, the most fundamental way of forming clay.
Camborne faces a lot of historic challenges, like many post-industrial towns. It's in the lowest 10% of deprivation across Europe. We're part of the Camborne Town Deal. The government has promised £23.7 million in regeneration funding, and so £500,000 of that has been allocated to us to purchase and renovate this building and transform it into a state-of-the-art contemporary crafts hub.
Welcome. We're going to do a glass hanger today.
Camborne's Contemporary Crafts Hub has got a health and wellbeing element to it, where we work with different organisations to bring people into the centre where they've never done any of these kind of creative activities before.
Camborne Contemporary Crafts Hub is really beneficial to the local community. It gives people a space to be creative and work on their wellbeing, work on motivation and skills in life.
Our participants really enjoy this. We get quite a lot of people that come through that have mental well-being or health barriers to work, that can't work in a formal way, and they're looking now at creating skills to go down a self-employment or a side hustle path, which is really important for these people.
The aim for them is not only to learn a new skill, but it's also to get the health and wellbeing benefits you can get from being immersed in a creative activity.
When we discovered the Social and Community Capital Fund, it was a relief to us that we could get some funding that wasn't tied to buying equipment or renovating the building. The loan that we got is really flexible, so I know that I can call Megan up and we can talk about extending it, or the flexible terms and the delayed repayment holidays. And it's such a relief when you've got all the stresses of running a small business not to have to worry about that.
We always wanted to attract a whole range of people, from starting, having never touched clay, glass or metal, to those that actually are well-established artists and want to access the equipment we have that they possibly couldn't afford to. So it takes them to the next level. And also having established artists here is great for those at the beginning of their journey. And that really is true levelling up.
I was looking for a kiln to hire because where I was trying my work before was getting difficult. And I just walked in off the street, and Jane showed me around, said what they were hoping to do, and I said, well, that's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Just what I need, and I think it's what Camborne needs.
We were approached by Camborne Town Deal, and they showed us several buildings around Camborne, and we saw this one and thought that it was perfect for what we need. It's got so much character and so much history, and we fell in love with it straight away. We've been doing some work with Exeter University students who are sustainable energy and sustainable architecture students, and they've designed us this new state-of-the-art pottery with photovoltaics on the roof. When we first started out, it was quite difficult to get funding because we're part of the Camborne Town Deal, but that's only capital funding. Megan and Tracy have been brilliant and really supportive. They offer mentoring, so I've been having some mentoring with a website designer and to see how we can improve it.
I really love working here because it's an adventure, it's an opportunity to engage with local people and build something with a community ethos.
We're making a difference to people's lives. It's wonderful that people come in here and tell me that the 2 hours they spend here a week are the best 2 hours of the week.